Hi, it's Sandra here from Creating Spain. This is just a very quick bonus video. I made a video, put out a video yesterday, 13th May, on cutting polymer stamps. Now, I forgot to mention that one of the great things that you can do with this method, you can make your base sheet of polymer, you can cut your stamps out from it. But the remnants of it you can use as a backing for your stamp. And I don't know if you can see it on here. You might just about be able to see it. This stamp is one that I made from a font, and it just happened to have a bicycle in the font. So I cut it out of the polymer sheet. And I used the tiny little scrap that was left, because I just had a square that I'd demoed. The tiny little piece that was left, I've put underneath that. And you don't even have to put more polymer gel on it to make it stick. It will cling to itself. So if you want to keep it like that, you can. If you have something which you can literally put some polymer gel underneath with a pin or whatever, you can then put it under. My phone just went bing. You can put some more polymer gel under there to actually stick it together and put it under the lamp again if you really need to, but quite often you don't actually need to. So I've got a piece of paper here and I've got some ink, my standard Memento black. Get that inked up and let's see what happens. This is the first time. Now you have to be careful that you've got, that's not bad going, you have to be careful that you've got all the stamp area covered, or it'll be higher in places than others. And this was definitely bordering on the not possible because it's so close a fit. But that's not bad going for a first stamp, and it's still got the ink there. It's just that I haven't pressed it down firmly enough in that particular spot, I suspect. So that's how you can do the finer detailed stamps that you might want to do. And obviously the same thing applies to your background stamps. If you want to make much larger stamps, but you want them to be whole stamps, you don't want to risk them coming apart, then you can actually put them on another base piece of polymer and that will solve the issue. And it makes it almost like one that you used a transparency to make. It's not as thick, it's not as chunky, I won't lie to you, but it is still perfectly usable and it's polymer, and polymer stamps extremely well. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.